Japanese train lab. For over 30 years, the health scientists of the South Manchuria Railway Company have continued to battle against the diseases that wreak havoc throughout the mainland. After years of study, they have come up with a disease protection train that surpasses even the best hospitals. This luxury train keeps moving through inland areas that have no healthcare facilities to control and prevent the spread of acute communicable diseases. Its aim is to seek pathogens, shelter patients, disinfect polluted materials, perform health checkups, and offer treatment. It consists of 10 carriages: the locomotive, engine, disinfection, post-mortem, experimental surgery, medical care, patient housing, isolation, kitchen and staff accommodation carriage. The simple but elegant train is dark green with a single white line and travels the whole continent in summer and winter, acting as the advance guard for the Manchurian disease prevention team.